Congratulations, Berg and Allen. I can't think of two finer people that deserve to be inducted into the Beehive Hall of Fame than you two. We've shared a lot of memories over the years of shotgunning beers and winning championships. That combo makes for some great summers with you two. We were the unstoppable wall, no ball could get past us on the field. I love you guys. Cheers to two of my dearest friends, and congratulations.
Berg! It always amazed me how you were able to coach people, but also support them in such a way that they really improved. I'm honored, actually, to share this award with you. It's long overdue, so I love you.
Sup? Congrats Aaron and Alan on being inducted to the Beehive Hall of Fame. I'm so proud of you guys, and you guys are so deserving of this acknowledgement. My favorite years of playing kickball were with you guys on the same team, and we won some championships also. But take some shots from me, and I love you both, and again, congrats.
Hey Alan! We've been playing kickball for a long time, our entire friendship actually, and I just want to say thank you for always being our biggest support, my backup captain. Even when you can't play, you're there base coaching, you're cheering us on, you're arguing for the right call, and you deserve this so much. I love you.